Hi everyone, this is Roman. Welcome back to my channel. Today we will make two different kind of brownies. One will be a regular brownies and the other one will be vegan and gluten free. So first we will start by the regular brownies. So we will use some chocolate chips, melted chocolate, flour, eggs, cacao powder, vanilla extract, sugar and melted butter. So first we will mix the butter and the sugar. So to mix it until it's smooth. Now that the butter is nice and incorporated, we will add the vanilla extract and the eggs. And now we will mix for about a minute. Now we will add the melted chocolate. I will switch my tools for a spatula and we will add the flour, and the cacao powder. You do not want to over mix it, so as soon as it's almost incorporated, we will add the chocolate chips. Now we will use our mold and we will pour the mix inside the mold. So you can spray a little bit the mold with oil spray or use butter and to avoid it to stick to the bottom. And now we will put the brownies in the oven at 370 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. And so now we will make the vegan gluten-free brownies. So we will use some melted dark chocolate, coconut oil, cacao powder, cashew almond milk, peanut butter, chocolate chips, vegan of course, sugar, vanilla, baking soda and some oats flour that is gluten free. So first we will mix together the dark chocolate already melted and the coconut oil. You can also melt it together in a microwave or on a double boiler called also bain-marie. Then we will add the almond cashew milk, sugar, also add the vanilla, baking soda and the peanut butter. And then slowly we will add a little bit of oats flour and a little bit of cacao powder. Mix it well and we will incorporate the rest. And same, as soon as the flour is almost incorporated, we will add the chocolate chips again. The mix is ready, and before to pour it on the mold, I just spray with some oil spray. Make sure it's also vegan. And we will after cook it at 370 Fahrenheit for approximately 30 minutes. And before to put it in the oven, to be able to recognize them and make the difference, we will add on a vegan one some almond slice, and it will also add some crunchiness. The two brownies are done, the regular one and the gluten-free vegan one. So now it's time to cut it out to see how it looks inside. The brownies recipe are done. Now you can invite some friends at home, and even if they are non-vegan or vegan, they can enjoy some brownies. For my personal taste, I think the vegan brownies it's better, and it is really more fudgy inside. And with the nuts on top, it gives really a little bit of crunchy. Again, if you like the video, please thumbs up. I will put the recipe down below, and I hope I will see you next time on my next video. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.